Hey guys, Stephanie here, and I am back with, did you see that hair flip? It's just, I know you see it. I know you see it. I'm gonna show you how you can switch out the back of your wig to go from business casual to late night glam with a pop of color. I am back with another wig review. Finally, it's been forever, but I'm so excited to show you guys how amazing this new wig is. I got this from Fashion Source Wigs. They are a sister company of Rasta Free Braid. If you've seen any of my other videos, I usually do all of my braids and my crochet styles using Rasta Free. So FS Wigs or Fashion Source Wigs is the sister company, and this hair is called S2 Trixie. This is a packaging here. You can see the model is wearing a blonde wig. Of course, I have a darker one, and she's also wearing a color, a little highlight in the back. And you guys see I don't have that highlight in the back of mine yet because it's still in the box, okay? Let me go ahead and bust this thing open for y'all. Here it is, you guys. This is the back of my wig that needs to be attached. This is the color Rainbow. So what this is a hair attachment. So I can take this black piece off of the back of this wig and apply this rainbow piece to the back of the wig to add some extra color, some extra flair to my hair or to my wig, okay? Isn't that cool? Like, what? I ain't never seen that before. Have you seen that before? Comment down below if you've seen that before. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off so you guys can see what's inside, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch into the rainbow. What is this even called? I don't even know what to call this. All right, guys, so I'm wigless, okay? This is a wig, and see if you can see the full length. This is the box that it comes in. It's S2 Trixie. The S2 stands for Stage 2. Stage 2 Trixie is her name. So here are all of the available colors here. You can get aqua, blue, gray, pastel, rainbow, pink. And then these all come in color 1B. There's 613. This is exactly what comes in the box. You get 3 pieces. You get the big top piece, which is the full wig, and then you get the 2 bottom pieces, which are interchangeable. So you get the solid color and you get the fun color. And then the bottom piece is attached by snaps and buttons. So there's 2 snaps on the outer corners of the wig, and then there are buttons that go along the back. And then that's how you go from business casual to glam in just seconds. Okay? This is a great wig. It's super soft, and it has soft waves, as you guys can see here. I want to make sure you guys know exactly what the wig looks like. I don't believe it comes in different styles as of right now, but if you guys like it, I'm sure they will expand the line. But this is really cute. This is simple, easy wig that you can wear every day. It's not too voluminous. It's not straight. It's like perfect. The parting in the front is a long middle part, and it is fairly wide. I didn't pluck this at all, and it's a really good wide clean parting, which I love, and it's long. It's 2020. I'm sure, or I would hope, wig companies aren't making those parts that stop right here, because no. Then the inside, there are 2 combs. 2 combs on the inside, one here, and then, or 3 combs, sorry. Then there's one in the back. And this is attached to that back piece that we're gonna take out. Clips are on the side, so you unclip it and you clip it back, and it's in there. Then there's another clip on this side. Unclip it like that, clip it back, and it's in there. It's secure. It's not gonna slide out. Then the buttons, of course, you have to pull the buttons out of the buttonhole So there's no way that this is ever gonna slip out. You don't have to worry about that at all, as long as you put it in the way that it's supposed to be put in. All right, don't be trying to bobby pin your bottom piece in, and then when it slide out, be talking about some Stephanie, you said it wasn't gonna fall out. I said if you put it in the right way, it's not gonna fall out. So don't use bobby pins. Just do it the way it's supposed to be done. Yes, you have to take the whole wig off. All right. Yes, you do. Well, I guess depends on how good you get at it. You might be able to detach and put both pieces in with the wig on, but I suggest just go in the bathroom, take it out if you can't go home, if you don't have time, or do it in the car. I don't care. I be in traffic taking my wig off, undoing my braids. It don't matter. Wherever you got to do it to make sure you get it in there secure. So now I'm going to take off this whole bottom piece. So this is the bottom piece. This is the wig, which is now turned into a half wig. You cannot wear this without one of the two bottom pieces. Okay, you just don't try it. It's not gonna work. So this is what the bottom piece looks like. Again, these are the button holes, and this is the clip or the snap that is on both ends. This provides great security, and then of course at the bottom you also have a comb, and you have the what is this called, the elastic band that you can tighten or loosen up the wig if you need to. Now we're gonna pull this baby out, the rainbow section. Super cute, super fun. You want this to be on the outside, and you're gonna put it in like that, so the inside, your wig is gonna be inside out, and you're gonna attach it like this. And now you have a whole new wig. So from the back, it still looks pretty subtle, but when you put it on, this part is gonna come out. That is cute. Yes, and it's still very subtle. It's not too much, it's not too bright, it's not too bold. It's perfect for ladies who are interested in experimenting with color but don't really want to go too full out. They don't want to be too bright. And also ladies who have jobs that don't allow them to wear hair color. So I think this is super convenient, super cute, super easy, and super affordable. I don't have the exact price because they're all different throughout beauty supply stores across the country and online, but you can purchase this online. I will put a link down below if you guys are looking for it. And yes, what do you guys think of this? Was that easy enough? I think that's super easy. Super easy. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys wear a wig that you can switch out the colors? Would that be convenient for you? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you can see more videos like this one, more wig reviews and more hair tutorials. And follow me on social media as well. My Instagram is XOStephBell, and I'm on TikTok now, so follow me there because I'm gonna be doing all the new dances. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about Trixie, because she's a cutie. Alright guys, see you later.